Just got the brand new MD2 tweezer LCR meter. Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through every single function of this device. Let's first take a look at what's included in the package. The main unit of the tweezer LCR meter, a Type-C charging cable, a detailed user manual, a precision resistor reference board for accurate calibration, optional, and a pair of spare gold-plated measurement tips, optional. The main unit features a CNC-machined aluminum alloy unibody casing, which feels premium and solid. There are 4 buttons on the front of the device, namely the power button, function button, level button, and frequency button. At the top, there's a universal Type-C charging port. It's recommended to fully charge the device before first use. The screen will display the charging status while charging. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. By default, it goes straight into the LCR auto measurement interface. In the default auto mode, you just need to clamp the component. It will intelligently identify and accurately measure it. No manual operation is required at all, which greatly improves efficiency. Of course, you can also perform manual measurements if you wish. Simply short press the function button and you can manually switch between auto, resistance, and capacitance modes, as well as inductance and diode modes. Short pressing the frequency button allows you to switch the test frequency. Typically, high frequency is used for measuring small capacitors and inductors, while low frequency is used for large capacitors and inductors. For resistors, 1 kHz is generally used. Short pressing the level button allows you to adjust the test level. When performing in-circuit testing, selecting a low level of 0.1 volts can effectively prevent triggering the semiconductor components in the circuit, enabling more accurate in-circuit measurements. The measurement speed can also be adjusted. Long press the level button, and you can switch between slow, medium, and fast speeds. When you need to record data, simply short press the power button to hold the reading. It's not just an LCR meter, it can also measure DC voltage with a range of plus or minus 32 volts, and it can automatically determine the polarity. This is very practical. In diode mode, you can easily determine the polarity and quality of a diode. At the same time, it also has a buzzer continuity function, which is used for checking circuits. The sweep frequency mode is one of its highlight features. It can measure the parameter changes of components at all preset frequencies in one go. This is very useful for screening and analyzing the frequency characteristics of components. It's extremely helpful. What's even more powerful is that it also has a built-in signal generator, which can output 7 commonly used waveforms such as sine and square waves. Moreover, the frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle of the waveform can all be freely adjusted. It's a great assistant for your circuit debugging. You can also customize the font style as you like, as well as the interface color. There's also PC software for you to explore even more features. Press and hold buttons 2 and 3 to enter sorting mode. Press and hold button 4 to adjust the nominal value and tolerance. If the value is out of the set range, it will display a red fail. Press and hold the frequency button, and you'll enter the system settings menu. Here, you can deeply personalize the device configuration. In this section, you can set the language, screen orientation, backlight, and volume, as well as the auto power off time, and more. You can also, as needed, manually specify the equivalent circuit for measurement, whether it's in series or parallel mode, and set the secondary parameter displayed at the bottom of the screen, such as quality factor or impedance, etc. To ensure the highest accuracy, we must master the calibration function. Follow the menu prompts to select the corresponding calibration item. For example, when performing a short circuit calibration, just short both ends and confirm. You can also perform an open circuit calibration in the same way, or use the optional reference board to precisely calibrate specific resistance ranges. That concludes the introduction to all the functions of the MD2. From intelligent automatic measurement to professional frequency sweep and signal generation, it will become an indispensable precision tool on your workbench.